Hey, very exciting factory update today. This is not on production of SeaPods, but water toys. And I think water toys are a really good thing to have if you are living in a floating house. So we wanted to get some ways for you to enjoy living on the water. So this is the first shipment that we received. I'm going to see what it looks like. This is either an electric surfboard or an electric hydrofoil. So we'll see which one it is. I think it's probably the hydrofoil because it's a smaller box and the other one is a larger box. So we'll see. It's a bit of a heavy box. Well, let's wait and see what it is because I'll comment on what it is in a minute. I'll give you a closer look here. Okay, sweet. Oh. Electrico. Yeah. Electric surfboard. That is fantastic. So, all right. So we have the handle. This is the remote control. Allows you to control the speed. Yeah, so it's a solid connection. I thought it might be a bungee, but it's actually a very solid connection. There's some foot paddles that you can attach, depending on if you're left or right. If you do on the left or the right side. So I guess we have to figure out that. And there's some straps, I think, for holding on. No, there's some handles here. I'm not sure what these are going to be for. They are for something. Oh yeah, okay. So these go over top like that, and your feet go inside. Okay, that makes sense. Battery goes in here. It's a pretty good seal. Not sure what this is. Oh, okay, so this is probably an emergency handle. So I think this goes around your wrist. And this would go into here. Oh yeah, and the light came on, so now it's active and it'll work. And then if you fall off, that comes out and then it turns it off. Very cool. I hope there is an instruction manual, but it looks pretty straightforward. Okay, additional goodies. Yeah, electric surfboard, battery charger, and then the fins. Okay, cool, awesome. Let's take a little bit of a closer look.